you doing?
I don't know. Bought myself.
You excited to use it?
Yeah.
You can catch a fish on it?
Hopefully.
All right, bet.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Westo Angling video. My name is Jake and we are currently out at the pond. We're about to do some bass fishing. I'm here with my brother Drew. He's currently spooling up his first ever rod and reel that he's bought himself. I think he was due for a new one. He's got a medium action spinning combo. It's about I think it's a 6 foot 6 inch combo. Only about 50 bucks at Scheels. It's a Daiwa, so it should do the job. So the goal for today is to get Drew used to his new rod and reel, hopefully catch some fish on it, and just have a fun day of bass fishing. As for me, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I got my fly rod, I got my ultralight, I got all my bass fishing gear, so I might do a little bit of everything today. Yeah, we'll just see what the day brings, and let's get Drew on some fish. You excited?
Yes, sir.
All right, you ready to put a lure on it?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Drew's over there casting with his new rod. I'm over here. I'm gonna throw a little soft plastic frog around for a little bit because we got some duckweed over here, and I wouldn't mind catching a fish on some topwater right now. We'll see if we can make something happen here. The goal is just to catch some fish today. I mean, that's the goal every day, but just a fun, easy day of some pond bass fishing.
Let's see. Sakoshi bug. Yeah. Let's try it for the first time. She casts pretty smooth. You didn't see anything, all right?
Oh!
Got one?
Yeah. Holy cow, that was aggressive. Oh my goodness. That was a crazy eat. Holy cow. Nice. What an awesome eat. That was sick. Dang, he smoked it. Holy smokes, there we go. First bass of the day right there. Just ate it right there along the bank. Nice. There we go. That was an aggressive bite. Came up and hammered it. Well, that's a good sign. We caught one on the topwater frog. Heck yeah. I'm not saying it's a competition or anything, but I'm up 1-0 on Drew right now. So we'll see if he can tie it up.
So yeah, this worm, it's just a normal Scheels finesse stick, PB&J, those colors. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah. I thought that was a fish. Oh my God, it is a fish. Yeah. What? Bro. Yo.
You got one?
Yeah. What?
Drew got a fish, guys. Oh man.
Yo.
All right, show it off to the camera. First fish on the new combo.
Well, bass. Yes, sir. Just a little guy. Yeah, that was interesting. It's like it was dragging because of the weeds. So I'm like, nah, that ain't a fish. It was in fact a fish.
I called an audible the Megabass Spark Shad. It's the 5-inch version, and I got it on one of those like belly weighted swim bait hooks. I believe it's a 5/0 hook, 4/0 or 5/0, I can't remember. Might be a 4/0, but man, this thing is one of the most weedless baits you can throw. It works so well. Let's try over here. Got one. Oh wow, not the size I was expecting. Oh man, another small guy. Hammered the Spark Shad though. There we go, second fish of the day. Not the kind of fish I'm expecting when I'm throwing this bait, but back he goes. He hammered it, look at that. Oh geez, that is funny. Oh, I had a bite right there. Oh no, a fish hit it right there. What the heck? Oh my goodness. This is a mess over here, guys. Oh no. I have a fish on. No way. What? Another one. Tiny. Oh my goodness. I seriously don't know how this is happening. I don't know. You guys saw it on the GoPro. I was caught up in those reeds. I backlashed, and yet I still caught a fish. That is almost the size of my lure. What is happening? Oh, got one on the frog through the duckweed. Another small guy. Hey, we're catching some fish. That's all that matters. Back he goes. That's another one on the frog. Cool, cool. Can't beat a good old topwater bite, man. You just can't beat it. He ate it right through that duckweed. All right, right over here. This is where he was. Nothing that time. Got him. It might be a little bigger. Yep. I think the fish is a little better than the previous few. Come here. Oh, no, stay on. Come here. Please be a little better. Is it? Yep, yep. That's the fish we've been looking for right there, baby. Yeah. Yep. Yes. There we go. Yes, sir.
Wow.
I'd say that's probably about 3 pounds. Right on this fish, I shit you not, ate 3 times. That took that long to get him. That's the best fish of the day right there. So it's a decent fish. She wants to get going. Here we go.
Back, got a garlic scented bait. Don't know what it's called, but yeah. Got one. Did you hear it? Yes, sir. Come here. Jake.
Nice. Good job.
Let's go. Should I do backflip? Let's do backflip. Alright, technically that would be a front flip. Yes, sir. This little guy did all that work. Just came right off though. So that was kind of cool.
so sick. I don't even care how big it is. That is sick. All right, there we go. Boom. I don't even know what number that is. Probably like 6. Well, there we go. Back he goes. Here, come. We are done for the day. We got our fishing in. Drew, what'd you think?
It was pretty fun, you know. Got a new rod and reel, so combo is pretty good for the price.
Yeah.
So
You like it?
Yeah.
The Daiwa Crossfire spinning combo is the one he got.
Yeah.
Should be good for most light wire hook applications. He can throw anything from the Whopper Plopper to the Ned rig to a crankbait, so it should work out well for him. And then hopefully here soon he can get a new bait caster and throw some of those heavier wire hooks as well. Good work, Drew.
Thank you very much.
Hell yeah. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and hopefully you guys like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment. Leave any suggestions that you would like to, any sort of video that you would like to see. I'm always up for suggestions if you want to see like any sort of challenge or anything like that. So I appreciate you all, and I'll catch you guys on the next West Angling video. Peace out, everybody.